Okay guys, unboxing time. Wolf Dragon here, of course. I have the Team Hustle 7s, D7s. I didn't look at it, don't worry. I didn't look at it. I never looked at it. Because my mom, she hid it from me. And I love basketball shoes. There's a guy from my tutor named Stiff Kicks. Check him out. He loves shoes. And he thinks he has way more better shoes than me. Don't worry, I'm just taking off the, oh gosh. These are the stickers from this. Guys, I am also gonna do way more unboxings. I know I never did a gaming video. I will. And let's get straight into it. Okay, I want to show you yet. Bang! These are the Team Hustle 7s. Team Hustle D7s. Best grip on top of the market. Awesome check swish, a great swish right there. Oh yeah, guys, look, pitch white. It has the, no way, they put it inside, Guys, I got it's made in Indonesia. Guys, this is new. It came in April 21st, 2016. I got the 4.5s, size 4.5 US. UK, if I was there, I would be size 4. What does it say? Nike Team Hustle D7s. Guys, these are really good. I'm gonna show you right now how I'm gonna wear them. My mom is never gonna like me when I'm doing this. Yo guys, I'm so excited because these shoes are awesome. And once I publish this YouTube video, I'm gonna show some drills that I did do, like in the morning and stuff in my basement. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe now. If you don't like, I don't really care. These are the shoes. They're actually pretty, they look hot. Okay. These are the things, and I think that's all I have. Bye!